I missed you. I came to visit you. Can I do anything for you? You want me to rub your back?
No, 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 Cut. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on,
Tell me what you want, Dad. Dad, tell me what you want.
Garage.
I'm gonna give you water. Come on, let's have water. Don't yell. Here, have water. Don't be upset, okay? Drink the water slow. Hi, look at me. Hi.
Hi.
I miss you. I love you. Did Patrick come to see you?
Yes.
Yes, here, look.
Yes, I bet you.
Yes, here, have water. You want to hold my hand? Want to hold my hand? It's okay, have more water. Have water. Okay. Is that good? Yeah, that feels good?